Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So this is the last part for chapter 2 matrices from 5. So this is learning standard for this video. Solve problems involving matrices. So how to solve problem involving matrices? We have three steps here. First, write linear equation in the form of ax plus by equals to p and cx plus dy equals to q, where a, b, c, d, p, and q are constant while x and y are unknowns. Okay, next write the simultaneous linear equation in the form of matrix ax equals to b. Next, solve with multiplication with inverse matrix x equals to an inverse matrix of A multiplied with matrix B. So, have a look at this example. I purchased 2 child tickets and 1 adult ticket at a price of 32 ringgit. I purchased 5 child tickets and 3 adult tickets at a price of 88 ringgit. Based on the conversation above, how much is the price of a child ticket and an adult ticket? So remember our step just now? To form two simultaneous linear equation. So first identify the problem. So given that the price of 2 child ticket and 1 adult is 32 and price of 5 child tickets and 3 adult tickets is 88. So we let x become the price of a child ticket and y as the price of an adult ticket. So devising a strategy, we want to form two linear equation and express the equation in the form of matrix and solve it. So we implementing the strategy. So this is the two linear equation that we can form from the just now conversation. So next we just write in the form of matrix and solve the equation. So this is the value of x and y. X and y just now is x for child ticket and y for adult ticket. So you have to make a conclusion. The price of a child ticket is 8 ringgit and an adult ticket is RM 16 ringgit. So that's the solution for example 29. Now move on to example 30. So given here a table here. So Syarikat Komunikasi Era Baru produced 2 camera models K and L. Each camera produced need to go through 2 departments. They are the assembling department and the packaging department. The table above shows the time for assembling and packaging for each type of camera. It is given that the assembling department operates for 12 hours a day and the packaging department operates for 9 hours a day. Calculate the number of camera K and camera L produced in a day. So understanding the problem, total time for assembling is 12 hours, which is equivalent to 720 minutes. The total time for packaging is 9 hours, which is equivalent to 540 minutes. So we let x as number of camera K produced and y as a number of camera L produced. So devising a strategy, form two linear equations and express the equation in a form of matrix and solve it. So 10x plus 10y equals to 720. 5x plus 9y equals to 540. So this is the two linear equation that can be formed from the previous problems. Then write in the form of matrix And then you can solve this at the value of x and y. So, making a conclusion, the number of camera K produced is 27 units. Okay, this is the value of x. And the number of camera L produced is 45 units. So, that's all. This is your homework, self-practice 2.2H. Have a look at the question. Altogether are 5 questions. So this is, since I said this is the last video for this chapter, so this is the conclusion. What we have learned from first part until the last part. Okay, so this is the what you have learned before. Okay, so don't forget to do also extensive practice for more understanding. So this is all the question, dividing in 3 parts, which is understand, mastery, and challenge. So this is the question in K part. Okay, so altogether is 16 question. So thank you and see you in the next video.